Hello there. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you 5 apps that you can use to buy stocks or make investments on your own. So I'm going to share with you apps that you can use to buy American stocks like Apple, Google, Amazon, Tesla, a whole lot of them. And then there are apps that I'm going to also share with you that you can also use to invest in Ghanaian stocks. Let's get started. Okay, so the first app that I'm going to share with you in this video is called Achieve. Now, what is Achieve? Achieve is a Ghanaian-owned investment app which you can use to invest money from the comfort of your home. I've actually been using this app for like almost a year now, and it has never ever failed me. You can check out Achieve on the internet, and they have an app too. So you can start with as little as 10 cities or 5 cities, which is great because it gives you the opportunity to test the waters of this app. Okay, so you can go on Google Play Store and then install the app on your phone and start investing. So number 2 may sound a little bit cheeky, but honestly it's the truth, and that is your bank's app. Okay, so you can use your bank app to do a whole lot of investment. I use Calbank, and then they have a lot of investment options that you can actually use for your money. Okay, so what I do is that anytime I feel like investing my money, I just tap on the app, I go to investments, and then I check out the investment options that they have available over there, and voila, I tap on that and then I start investing my money right away. What is so amazing about this part is that I can choose to invest my money for like a month or 2 or 3, unlike investment options that you have to invest in for like 3 or 6 months before you can get your money. You have the option of actually investing for just a month, and then when the month is up, it reverts your money back to you. Isn't this wonderful? So yes, you can actually use your bank's app to do your investment. So number 3 is Trove. So Trove is actually a certified company in Nigeria. I've done extensive research on them before coming up with this video and before even investing with them. Okay, so what actually happens is that you can use this app to buy American stocks like Apple, Amazon, Google, Tesla, all those big company shares that you have been hearing around. So you can start with as little as $10 or $20, and then you can use this deposit to buy $2 stocks. Okay, the downside of this app is that anytime you want to make an investment, let's say that you see that the price of a stock has gone down and you want to immediately deposit money and then buy the stock, it will take like forever. It takes like 3 to 4 days before the money reflects there, and it's actually a downside for me, and I really hate that part of the app. But apart from that, it is such an easy to use app. Even the one with the dumbest of brain would even understand how to use the app. So another app that you can use to buy American stocks is Bamboo. So I'm pretty much excited that Bamboo has started working here. Bamboo is also a certified company from Nigeria. So if you want to buy American stocks, you can go with Bamboo as well. And what I love about Bamboo is that when you deposit money, it reflects immediately you deposit it. But one thing that really bothers me is that the verification process is a little bit slow, and so you may even lose interest when it comes to the verification. Another investment option that you can also look at is investing in cryptos. And then if you want to invest in crypto, it's so easy these days because of Binance. Now Binance is an app that you can use to buy cryptos of all kinds. If you want to buy any form of cryptocurrency here in Africa, Binance is your best bet. You can start with as low as $10 as well, and you can buy any cryptocurrency that you want. With Binance too, deposit of money reflects immediately you do so. If you want to learn more about cryptocurrency and using Binance, I recommend this channel, Crypto Giants. She has a lot of information for you when it comes to Binance and then buying crypto. Okay, hold on. Now, if you're in Nigeria or any part of the world with the exception of Ghana, you can check out Passfolio and Chaka. You can use this app actually to buy American stocks, just as Trove and Bamboo also does. Okay, Nigerians are actually lucky. There are a whole lot of apps that you can use for investment. I think they have Piggyvest, a whole lot of them, Cowrywise, and sometimes I wish I were Nigerian, but It so happens that I'm a Ghanaian. Anyway, these are the apps that you can actually use to buy American stocks, or you can use for the investment, well, or whatever investment that you are interested in. So guys, I hope this video has been so helpful for you, and I really enjoyed making this video. Make sure you go out there and then you research much more about these apps that I have introduced to you. Then go ahead when you find them worthy of your money. See you in my next video. Bye.